Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've heard the buzz around vibe coding, then today I've got a treat for you. We're going to jump into Google AI Studio and we are going to use the model Gemini 3, which is now currently in preview, and we are going to vibe code. Ladies and gentlemen, we are vibe coding. We are in aistudio.google.com. On the left hand side, you'll see a bunch of options. What you want to go ahead and do is click on build. And here you can actually describe your idea for an app or a website, and it will be fully functional within a few minutes. I'm going to do a time lapse on the actual creation so that you can see how long it actually takes. So let's go ahead and create an idea. Now, I like to use Perplexity. You can use any other chat bots or any other AI model, but basically my workflow starts like this. Give me 5 awesome app creation ideas. Here we can see they have given me 5 ideas. Now, the next follow-up prompt is, I want to build an app in Google AI Studio. Use option 2 and create a prompt for me, including style, colors, branding, and some advanced features. I'll attach my logo. Now, I've attached the logo over here, and here is a prompt. All right, it starts here. Build a customizable personal dashboard web app for productivity, and so on and so on. Let's go ahead, and we are now going to just copy this. We are going to come back into Studio. Let's go ahead and paste it in, and you can go and change the model, but we are using Gemini 3 Pro. It's in preview right now. And to go along with the whole vibe coding, if you want to just go ahead and use the speech to text feature, you are more than welcome to do so, as well as when we do follow-up prompts so that we can make changes. We're also going to add our logo over here by clicking on add files and upload image. So let's go ahead now and click on build. We're going to go ahead and give it a few seconds. On the left hand side, you can see it's actually thinking, and it'll give you a runtime. So I'm actually going to skip this process, and I'll see you in a few seconds. 130 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, if I'm not mistaken. That is the full runtime. 130 seconds. You can figure out that that's just over 2 minutes. So this is all of its features. This is everything that it's given to me. And immediately, without anything else, I can actually see on the right hand side an actual preview, which you can actually open up in another window, and you can actually see the full on functionality. So let's go ahead. You can ask Orbit anything. This is the name of the app. You can add a widget over here. You can see that there are daily pulses, productivity, your weather, and everything is completely functional immediately. You can also like move these things around. Let's see, like move that around. And I think within a few seconds, within 2 minutes, that's pretty awesome. So when you're actually having a look at editing, you can go to the left-hand side, and right over here, you can actually make edits or changes over here. So let's go ahead and say, make the sidebar collapsible. You can also just go ahead and use speech to text, and then you can also annotate the app. So if you click here, it'll actually be able to give you the opportunity to click on certain elements to make changes to. So let's say you want to click on the add widget button and you want to say like, change this to blue or purple or orange or pink, whatever. And that is it. So what we want is we want the sidebar to be collapsible. Let's go ahead and say send. This runtime was also about 2 minutes, 128 seconds, but now we have a collapsible sidebar. What a simple thing. The next thing that I want to show you is just that you can click over here. You can change the name, the prompt, and then also the description. And then when you want to save or deploy, you can save this to your Google Drive. You can actually download the app. You can also export it to GitHub, and then the deployment. You can click on deploy, and here you will have to save this in a project. Once you saved it in a project, it'll automatically save to Google Drive, and then you'll have to connect a billing method, and you can actually deploy your app.